Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So finally I am going to unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro in the new deep purple color which I bought from the floating Apple store in Singapore, on which I have made a whole blog. You can find the link of that blog at the end of this video. I would recommend you to watch that too. You will definitely love that video. So without any further delay, let's get started. As we can see that the phone comes in a sleek compact packing with the usual Apple branding. As we remove the lid, we can see the new deep purple iPhone 14 Pro. The first thing you will notice is the stunning color of the phone, which is unique and eye-catching. The deep purple color is vibrant and elegant. The phone is lightweighted and easy to hold. This iPhone 14 Pro has a triple camera setup that includes a 12 megapixel for all the three lenses. Overall, the iPhone 14 Pro in deep purple is an excellent addition to Apple's flagship phone lineup. It's packed with features that are sure to impress, including a stunning display, a powerful camera system, and lightning fast performance. The deep purple color is unique and elegant. If you are in the market for a new phone, the iPhone 14 Pro is definitely worth considering. That's it for my vlog today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more vlogs like this. Your one like and subscribe will help YouTube algorithm to grow my channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.